Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you a document I found online and a sample of a virus. It's called rats. So as you all know, we're having this PDF here, and this PDF is just not ordinary PDF, but if you can see it where it's a document file, is a document.docx, is a Windows document file, but it's not actually a Windows, is an executable file which runs virus. So if I execute it now, you will see it's a virus. So when I click on execute, can you see it disappeared and we have a section here. So if I click on my section, I'll be having my payload. Yeah. So I just hack myself using a Windows document file. That's a Word document file. So as you can see, it's the list of things I can do. I can enter my file manager, I can access the webcam, keylogger, and so on and so forth. Let's use keylogger as an example. So I'll go to the keylogger now and I'll make it live. Before I make it live, I'll open a notepad. And as you can see, if I type anything from my notepad, let's see if it will show. It's not showing, but if I make it live, if I type anything after making it live, can you see it? So this is from the other side. I can actually see what is happening here. So I'll be getting the keystroke, and the other thing I can do again is I can actually use the webcam, but I'm using RDP. You won't be able to use webcam. This remote desktop means I can actually check what is going on my victim's computer. But as you can see, I hacked my RDP, so that's why you're seeing it is displaying what you're seeing right here. So that's how it works. And the other thing I can do again is I can execute a file, upload and execute. This is the interesting part. So with this part, hackers use this kind of thing to execute either ransomware and some other shit like that. So as you can see, this downloads and executes, and you see you put the link here and the name of the file, and you download and execute. And which other thing? And so let's go to the building function and how to prevent this from happening. I will exit this. That's I will uninstall it from the Windows computer, so it's no longer there. And I can also delete this. I will uninstall. So as you can see, it has been uninstalled. So I won't be using Word document again. I'll use um another file. As you can see, I'm using my port and everything. This is for educational purpose. This is just to show you what I can do. So as you can see, we don't need all this, we don't need all this, we don't need all this. And this multi-binder. Now the purpose of this multi-binder now um is to make it look more legit, using a legitimate file, then putting the virus inside that legitimate file. So I'll go now and search for any PDF file online I can use. Let me search for payroll PDF file. Let's see if we can have any PDF payroll PDF. Okay, let's use this. So this ought to be using. So please, this for educational purpose. I'm going to download it. This is sample, and I'll come to desktop. Then the next thing I'll do now, I'll embed, I'll upload this, I'll upload my PDF. I'll upload my PDF. I don't have PDF reader, that's why it's showing you Chrome logo. So the next thing you do now is, if you want to host any file, just come here to the next part here. So, and I can make this maybe a Chrome folder, Firefox, anyone I want to use, RDP, and so on, like that. So I'll be using something differently from this, but on the norms is meant to be the same. So I'll use OneDrive. OneDrive is okay. I'll be using OneDrive. So the next thing I'll do is just to, do I want it to spread um, on USB? And I'll have to change this to server or something. You can change it to anything. Try to infect hard drive. Wow. So now, after changing that to, what did I change it to? OneDrive. So I can change this to, is it PowerPoint you want, MP, zip, PNG, any kind of thing. So let's just use .png, and I can actually boost the space of this virus. And I won't tell you the secret behind this file pumper, you boosting it to a certain stage that antivirus won't be able to detect it. I won't say it, I'm sorry for that. So the next thing I'll do now is I'll compile it. And I'll call it OneDrive. I'll call it OneDrive. One drive. And I'll save it. Okay, I want to save it in the desktop. So as you can see, it's having the OneDrive logo. Very easy and very simple. The next thing I'll do now is watch. Just watch. I will execute this OneDrive by clicking it. You remember I use, can you see, I have a section now. That's just the easiest way I can hack victims. So, and do you remember I imputed this stuff inside? So you wait for that to load. Because that's the main thing inside. It will spoof the PDF. As you can see, do you see it? It has opened. That's just it, and you have been hacked. So you guys be careful of any Word document file you see online, any PDF file you see online. Not all are safe. This is the old way of even hacking. So this is the old method. That's why I'm releasing it, because it's outdated and the virus have seen it. But there's only one thing virus can do. Virus can't scan for a certain size of file. So that's the way they bypass some things. So this for educational purpose. Please kindly like and subscribe. Thank you guys. And before that, let me just show you that it's working. So as you can see, we have our section and everything inside, and I can even, let's execute, upload and execute. Okay, if you want to execute something in this part, what you just do is, can you see it? Simple. It will be very, very fast. I'll do it again. I'll do it to the payroll document. I'll do it to the payroll document. This is the payroll document. Do you see it? So this is happening inside my victims computer, because I'm using the same. I don't want to use my main computer. I'm using the same RDP to run it. That's why you can see it executing. If not, you'll be seeing it in the other side. So thank you very much, and kindly like and subscribe. That's all I can give.